Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. Been on call all day, so have a day off. Haven't done much today. We can't say I haven't done much. Didn't work today, so I vacuumed the floors and working laundry, watching Boston Legal all day off today while doing some chores here. Getting ready to make some dinner. It's now 5 p.m., so left in until 8:30 this morning. I'm tired. I just got a day off. Going to work. The dishes, making some bacon, eggs, and biscuits. Breakfast for dinner. Bacon on, put in more butter. 451. Home. Biscuits are looking okay. Kind of weird, but putting Brussels sprouts. So weird, but oh well. At least with a veggie go with it. Oh, that's what it's been like all day. Ain't been bad. Do a little bit of yard. Vacuuming down here and stuff.
They're absolutely delicious when you cut to the heart of the matter like that. They are throwing everything at me, Shirley. I need to throw everything back.
In the daughter's room today. Her room was a mess. Her toys everywhere. So I cleaned her room, vacuumed and stuff. Stayed the night in here last night because April was mad about God knows what when I got home, but about everything. Hoping she would have had a good first day, but she home from work with an attitude, I guess, because she started out on me, telling me I was sleeping in the other room over everything, and then wakes me up at 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock, whatever, in the morning this morning. Wants my vape, and gets wants a vape of mine. It's an item of mine. And did something, and I got all mad because I said something about it. Like, dude, you gave me an attitude last night or nothing. I just got home, got through the door, gave me an attitude, went to McDonald's, you still gave me an attitude about, I don't even know what. About stuff that happened 2 years ago, 3 years ago, whatever. Past is gonna pass, man. That's how I feel about it. It happened 3 years ago, almost 3 years ago now. And she still freaks out, flips out, dude. Tells me what a POS I am. Like, Jesus. Didn't understand it last night. Well, he's at work days and had a day off. I did the housework, did a bunch of housework today. I don't know. Vacuumed the floor, doing laundry. It sounds like laundry's ready to be done. It is ready for a rinse. Oh, by the way, our washer hookup thing back here don't work. So, run a hose, as you can see. Run a hose I made from the shower into the washer. Buddy Tigger down there. We got 3 others here. Zeus, we got Odin, we got Rosie. Because we have a dog, and we have a dog upstairs. Named Zaggy, we have a rabbit named Bun Bun. Yeah, see, now put this on the rinse cycle. I'll show you what I'm doing. All of the smaller laundry, more clothes and stuff. That's done. Usually on Fridays, do it myself. April will be going down to Bangor to pick up my daughter on, but this weekend I don't get her, so I will be working in Caribou tomorrow. So change of scenery tomorrow. Gonna be in Caribou, Maine in the morning. Or a little bit of a late start. Ain't gotta be there before sunset, actually. Which is awesome. Gonna be on a Soderbergh job site in Caribou, Maine. Google says the weather is going to be 59 degrees for a high and like 38 for a low, which ain't too bad, I guess. 9-mile-an-hour winds from the north, I said earlier. No rain, that's good. Maybe it won't be as miserable tomorrow. Don't know what type of job it's going to be. All I know is it's going to be a couple miles past Cary Medical Center. Watch the water explodes up there. Go ahead and fold some laundry here in a minute while I'm cooking. Okay, so see that going real quick. That's going. Right here, because I am cooking at the same time, multiple things. So. We'll turn that down. Way down. Oh, turn the bacon down. Way down. Go back in, check on that. Been multitasking today. I got watch TV, cleaning house, and cooking dinner, and laundry. See how quick it was. Oh, it's already there. Turn the lights off, see some electricity. Turn the lights off, see a little electricity. There's Zeus laying on the table. Up, down, Zeus. Up, down. Good boy. Off the table. Oh, to the broom. Spices and stuff. Alright, turn that back up again. My biscuits. Okay. Pillsbury buttermilk biscuits. 8 in a package in there. Pre-made, so bacon, hickory flavored, Save-A-Lot brand. Swiss cheese. Cobra prawns, Save-A-Lot brand. Eggs. Hillside Farm. These are Just local eggs. So Presque Isle, Maine area, Aroostook County area. Bacon, those might make fondue. Dead. Onions there. More cheese upstairs. But I suck at omelets. So yeah, just the eggs. And then I gotta get my stuff ready for it. Tomorrow I'll probably take a sandwich with me. I'll take banana with me. Might take a tea with me. Might. I mean, I will. Make some coffee in the morning. Need my coffee creamer for that, but. Tried to make a video of Boston Legal today and upload it onto YouTube, but I guess it only gets copyright things, whatever, so it got taken down as soon as I put it up. So I don't want that theory today to show you guys all that. Real quick. Baking a little bit. I've been doing it like this for a long time. In here, it's a strong light. The bedroom, our room, the room I got kicked out of. The room I got kicked out of. My clothes I didn't get kicked out of last night because
circus didn't show me any elephants.
she was upset for what I said, whatever reason, when she got off work, and she was off work before I was. I come through the door and she was in a bad mood.
I'm not sure you want that horse.
Like I said, oh, what?
By definition, he's my enemy.
Mad about stuff that happened 2 or 3 years ago.
You can't call the district attorney.
So,
I just did.
He was never included on our witness list. The Commonwealth has not had ample time to
made no
prepare.
sense.
Your Honor, his testimony is relevant. This case is all about the railroading of my client's First Amendment rights, and Mr. Bodnar seems to be conductor on said railroad.
It's a cheap stunt.
Enough. I'm certain District Attorney Bogner can take care of himself.
Watching
I'll allow his
Hulu,
testimony.
Boston Legal on it. It's got shows.
District Attorney Bodnar,
Almost
Alan
better
Shore.
than Netflix. Just
Before
Netflix
we
is a lot
start,
of
I just want to
upcry
say,
right
I
now.
love those mailers that you send out come election time. We're all inspired by the story of your roots. Your father, the Czechoslovakian
Picking up a
cobbler,
little
your mother,
change.
the Czechoslovakian
Picking up
cobbler's
all
wife.
my change. It's been falling out of my pockets the last couple of days.
You're a busy
Picking that up. Bringing that into my daughter's room.
You make time to be here.
And putting it into her piggy bank.
This case must be very important.
It is.
I guess the
At
question
one
on
time,
our minds is why.
she had over $70 in her piggy bank. And she got under 20. And toys and stuff. And she's saving up. And Daddy helps her a lot with this little bit of change and stuff he finds here and there, his. He has to save up. Buy something special when she's a little older. She's good, she's learning about money right now, I'm trying to teach her. She's does do a few chores here and there. She does earn money from Daddy. Yeah, bacon's starting to take a little longer to do, but she likes it crispy. She likes her eggs sunny side up. I'm gonna turn that light on. She likes her biscuit golden brown, not burned. A few more minutes in there and we'll be done. The biscuits. It is now 5:06. She was off between 5 and 6 p.m. last night. I didn't get home till 7 p.m. She got home between 5 and 6. She was home and said, what it was, upset with me, whatever. Guess she had a good first day. I don't know. But hope she has a good second day today. Hope it's easier than yesterday, I guess. I'm thinking yesterday must have been a hard day. The only thing I really got out of her, it seems to be a bad year. A lot of rot or something. A lot of rocks and rot. I don't know. For first day, can't say. Today will be the second day of it for her. Hope it goes better today. Want you to know, April, I do love you. And I know I don't. I do love you, and hope you have a good second day at work. And hope good hot dinner when you get home. And you feel happy and a little bit of a better mood. Nice clean house. I ain't done it for little dishes that were went around and picked out from, I guess, yesterday. And maybe today, Jake's and stuff.
I think he's a natural for politics, don't you? Look at him. Gorgeous. And tough on crime. The man single-handedly
My dad has been cleaning.
Child.
Yeah,
The Republican Party is bound to love him because he's so demonstrably pro-torture. A man is not afraid to get his hands dirty while he cuts off the fingers of others. Oh, you're a Republican, aren't you, Scott? Mr. Shore, I wonder who your party rather have carrying
I'm not vacuuming today.
You or Captain
The
Anderson?
dog's room was a mess. She had Legos everywhere. I had to pick all of them up. Watered the plants today. Picked up all her money. Put it back in her piggy bank where it belongs. Well, this has been my day. Just cleaning and now cooking. Cleaning, watching TV, and now cooking. Laundry's gonna be done, like I said, in just a few minutes. Now we don't have sitting there one. And I'm just cooking in the heat inside the oven. And half stuff ready for her when she gets home. And this part, turn it down a little bit, turn it down that way. And some will be done at the same time when she gets home. I'll start. Rice will be in about 10-15 minutes. So, you don't see her here yet. Eddie Zeus is on the table again. Nobody can go play. Don't know when, so I'll save electricity, people. But anyways, have a good. So, hope we had a good, safe, happy day at work. Second day at work. Well, it was better than yesterday. Whatever. I'll try to let y'all see later on tonight what's going on, or let you guys see tomorrow. I'll let you guys all see tomorrow at work and whatnot. But my daily life.
Miss Levine took her shirt off. That is not in dispute.